Welcome to Using Tableau with Alation's catalog platform. Leaders like Joe have championed and sponsored the use of Tableau across the organization, and they're really pleased with it. They've seen the organization grow in its analytic capabilities and receive lots of value. What they'd like to do is deploy more Tableau, but they need to do so with full confidence in the data and understanding that there's not duplication. Experts like Sarah can help. They know by combining Tableau and Alation's cataloging platform, they can do exactly that. Sarah goes on to explain that there's 5 key benefits of using Alation with Tableau. First, Alation allows Tableau users to find and understand all key enterprise assets and understand how their Tableau reports, dashboards, workbooks, and datasets relate to all those assets. Secondly, Alation allows stewards to be assigned to those key assets to have some degree of control and maintain the quality of their description. Third, Lineage allows you to provide traceability in showing users where the data came from that's used in their workbooks and their dashboards. The fourth is workbook promotion. Alation automatically provides the ability to promote workbooks and dashboards into production, as well as demote them. Finally, there's dataset badging and certification, where Tableau users can see exactly which datasets are certified based on stewards' work in the Alation catalog platform, setting warnings and deprecations.
Alation's easy-to-use catalog search capability is like an Amazon shopping experience for all of your data. Not only do we catalog data sources, but we catalog BI resources such as Tableau as well. And by embedding the Tableau dashboard right into the Alation catalog page, users are able to have a one-stop shop experience to see and understand their data in Tableau, as well as understand all the metadata and governance capabilities of the Alation catalog platform. Right within the catalog page of the Tableau dashboard, users and stewards can warn, endorse, and deprecate and provide their crowdsourced recommendation. They can assign data stewardship responsibilities, and they can set any other custom fields that might be required to reflect an approval process. By drilling into the specific dashboard or visualization, we can use Alation's powerful and automatic lineage capability, so you can easily see and understand and trust the source of the data feeding your dashboard. In this example, we can follow the dashboard back to the individual views or visualizations, to the Tableau data source, back to the source tables. Let's say, for example, that we have a problem with this table entitled category. As a data steward, we'll issue a deprecation on that source. So now there's a red flagged warning describing the deprecation. Now, notice that everything in our lineage view has turned red, but if I'm to follow the path all the way back to the dashboard, we see the dashboard even now has a yellow warning indicator stating that there's a problem resulting from the deprecation of the upstream asset. This is all done automatically by Alation. Alation's endorse, warn, deprecate flagging functionalities integrate directly with Tableau to control the application of Tableau data source badges. So let's explore the data sources published to the Tableau server. And again, notice some of them have the green check mark indicating that it's been certified and badged in Tableau. This data source has not yet been badged in Tableau as a trusted data source. Returning to Alation, we can find that Tableau data source. Now, as a catalog data steward, I can apply an endorsement to this data source on the catalog page in Alation. And now, if we refresh the Tableau page, we see that the certification badge has been applied. Now, what if we have a problem with an existing data source that has been certified? And let's say, for example, the hyper extract failed 2 days ago. We'll issue a warning. We'll return to the Tableau server, refresh the page, and notice the certification has now been removed. The workbook approval workflow in Tableau is different from that of the data sources. Tableau's best practice suggests publishing new workbooks to a staging folder. Alation will automatically create the secondary folder or project with the Alation certified suffix. You should consider this your production folder. If we look inside the staging folder, we see a workbook that a Tableau analyst has just published for review. We navigate to the Alation catalog page for that workbook. Once the workbook has been approved to be moved into production, the steward can issue an endorsement. And that will move the workbook to the Alation certified project.